Good morning, students. Hope all of you are fine and you performed well in your Terminal 1 exam. Beta, in today's lecture, we will discuss about the Terminal 1 question paper. So, whatever common mistakes were there, today we will discuss those things. And further that, as you know, that our two chapters are there that is left from your syllabus, that is chapter 10 and chapter 11, and theme 10 is displacing indigenous people, right? So now we will start this chapter also, like it is included in your terminal 2 syllabus. But before that, I just want to discuss about the terminal 1 question paper, right? So this is your question paper. As you know that this section A, it includes 20 questions. So means this section was attempted well by most of the students, but uh, in this one question was there, this question number 20, water frame was invented by. Beta, water frame was invented by Richard Arkwright, and so many students they have written James Watt. So very few like this question was from the industrial revolution, and very few inventions were there that we have done, and we are just to learn about the name of the inventor, right? So please take care about this. Then section B was that was the short answer type questions, that is of 3 marks each, and that is very important thing. I told you earlier also that you have to follow the word limit. So many students were there, they didn't follow, they have written very short, the content was not proper, not up to the mark. So I just want that next time you should be very careful about this. And the same thing is with the section C also, that is the essay type long question, that is of 8 marks each. Like I told you that there should be at least 350 words. It means like you write an essay or a paragraph in English, right? So in that way you have to attempt this answer. So be very careful. And like you know that in 8 mark question, sometime question is divided in different parts. Like you can see this question number 26, that when was Islam founded, discuss its religious beliefs, describe its expansion under Prophet Muhammad, right? So beta, like you know that this question it consists of 3 parts, so your answer should also be in the 3 parts. Like the first heading, that when was Islam founded, so Islam was founded by Prophet Muhammad. Then religious beliefs of these, right? So there should be a heading, under that you will just write down the religious beliefs. Then the third heading should be the expansion under Prophet Muhammad, because beta your content should be very much presentable also, right? Now the section D was, it was the passage based question or source based question, beta. So as you know that these questions, to attempt these questions, it is very easier one for you, because already the content is in front of you. But I told you, like you have read so many things related to this topic in the chapter also. So sometime in the questions, whatever questions are asked in this, so you are to mention your that knowledge also, that content also, that you have read in the chapter, right? So few students, they have just wrote one word. As you know, like in this particular, this question number 28, there were 3 questions. It means every question is of 2 marks. So please be careful. A 2 marks question, you are attempting, you are writing just simple 2 words. At least for those 2 words you can frame 2 sentences, right? So please be very careful next time. So and the section E, it was related to map. Like map was very easier one for you, but still so many students, they have not done well. They like I told you to take the Europe political map, right? and you got messages also on your WhatsApp group. Still you have used the world map and all. Beta, please be very careful, because in world map these countries were not clear, and a few problems were also there, that you still means every subject teacher told you to upload your images vertically, but still so many students, means number of students, they just their images were not in the vertical form. So please be very careful next time. So all these were the few things I just want to discuss with you, and from tomorrow onwards we will start discussing theme 10, that is the displacing indigenous peoples, right? Thank you and have a nice day.